Hello everyone. To our last video, I have shown you how to set up Devilbox. Here in this video, I will play with PHP projects that will help you to understand Devilbox properly. So let's move on to Devilbox directory. In our previous video, we have created a project inside data www folder, and our project name was example and project root directory was htdocs. Here inside this htdocs we have created index.html by which we see the project was running. Now imagine I want to run all my codes from inside example directory or inside this example project. I don't want the root directory inside htdocs. I just want to cut index.html to example directory in my example project, and I don't want these htdocs. So let's remove this. So the main purpose is to run this project from example directory. To do that, let's move on to Devilbox directory, and here env is our configuration file. Let's open it. By default, the env every project root directory is set to htdocs. So I am removing this and saving this env file and closing it. Now let's open the terminal and run the Devilbox. To run the Devilbox, type this command sudo docker compose up -d. So Devilbox is running. Now let's go to the browser and browse to localhost. Now visit to the virtual host section. Here is our website. Now click on this website. Here the project is running properly. Let's play with another example. I am searching for simple HTML CSS projects from GitHub. Let's try with this. Go to this project. This is actually HTML CSS project, just a design. Let's clone this project. Going to www directory and clone this project. Git clone and the repository path. So I have cloned this project here, and now visit to our browser and go to Devilbox virtual host section and reload this. And here it is showing our new cloned project. Click on it. Here the project is running. Now let's make some changes on this project. Now move on to project directory. Another important thing is that look at here, the project name is seems like too long. Let's change the project name. Example 2 and hit enter. Now moving on to browser again. Refresh Devilbox panel. Here is our new link for that project. Click on here. Project is loading. Now moving on to example 2 project. Let's open this project using VS Code. Here is our project. Now visit index.html file, because HTML index.html is the root file where the project starts always. It's portfolio. Now, assuming that I am trying to update this name, here we can see the name is Arfan. Let's update this name, Mr. Bean. Save this and go to the browser again and refresh this page. The code has updated. Now we will try to run some PHP projects here as well, so that you can understand it properly. Now let's go to Google and type simple PHP code. Let's go to this link, and here let's visit some loop code. Try it yourself. Here is the complete code. Let's copy this and moving on to our project directory. Let's create another project, example 3. Touch index.php here. Open this file, pasting our code, save the file, and moving on to our browser again. Go to the Devilbox panel and refresh it again. Here is our example 3 project link. It is showing the output for the loop code. Let's change the loop code here. Make it 100. Saving the file, refreshing it. It is actually running the PHP code properly. So this is how you can run HTML CSS projects as well as PHP projects using Devilbox. Now up to the mark, our work is done. Now moving on to the terminal. When our work is finished, we will always shut down the Devilbox. To do that, let's type sudo docker compose down. So thank you everyone.